Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this more than one outline cutout effect on CapCut PC. So copy and paste your videos and go to cutout and select auto cutout on the second one, and you're just going to select this one, and you can adjust the size, maybe make it super small at first, and select a color. Then you're going to want to copy and paste that and add it behind, underneath. And then you're going to make the size a little bit bigger, maybe at 50. Then you're going to change the color so that you can see the other color. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller, like 25. And then I'm going to copy and paste it again, put it underneath, and then I'm going to put it at 75. And then I'm going to change the color again to a darker purple. And then one more time, maybe. Whoops. Like that. And I'm going to make it 100%. I'm going to change the color. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.